This product is made with recycled content as part of our ambition to end plastic waste. 2 ways to wear, backpack or crossbody. Adjustable crossbody strap, adjusts up to 65 inches. Wipe-able lining for easy spot cleaning with soap and wate. Multiple zippered pockets give you plenty of storage space. Top reviews from the United States. Great for traveling, work, or a day out. I bought this as a gift for myself when I started a new job. I used to take it to work with my wallet, keys, essential items, hand sanitizer, and more. I have taken it on a flight before carrying all my important tiny items, snacks, and even my small crocheting project. Now, when I take it on the bus, in addition to normal items you put in a small purse, I can fit my book, journal, and pens in here. Love this bag so much.